This is how you make Dasik, traditional Korean pressed cookie. As I'm following the instructions, it is said I just have to get a portion of the mixture of sesame seed and honey, and then I'm gonna be putting it on the Dasik pan. You see me pressing it directly to the Dasik pan. I'll get more additional portions so it will be better. According to the instructor, men tends to have more delicious dasik because of the pressure and the heat produced by the hand. So I'm being helped by the instructor, and here is the finished product. Ta-da! I have two colors, so I decided to get the other one. I just did the same thing. Roll it in the palm of my hand. I use the heat of my body to activate and to use up to make it a bit oily. Then put it on the dasik pan and then press. Same process. The pressing makes the makes the mixture copy the mold. And here's another finished product. For this time, let's make the nabi, the butterfly. Can get a mixture and roll it on the palm of your hand, and then gently press it to the mixture. For this time, I did a lot, and then tried to remove some while pressing it to the mold. After a few minutes of tapping, pressing, here is the finished product. Dasik with a navi design, a butterfly one. After continuously doing this, here is the finished product. Thank you.